1, 2, 3.
Oh no, the letters and numbers ran away. Should we help the backpack find them today?
Yes, yes.
What should we say when we see them near? Call them back loud so they can hear.
Come back letters, come back numbers. Letter A, where could you be?
Are you hiding behind the tree?
Yes. Number 1, are you having fun?
Will you come back when we're all done?
Yes. Backpack, zip so wide. Letters and numbers jump inside. Clap your hands, stomp your feet. Call them back with a happy beat. Come back, come back,
Come back!
come back.
Ah!
1, 2, 3.
Letter B, should we shout your name? Come on back, let's play the game.
B.
Number 2, should we clap for you? Should we cheer until you're through?
Yes! Look, I see letter C.
Letter C, are you climbing high? Should we wave and say goodbye?
No.
Number 3, can you come to me? Should we sing until you're free?
Yeah! Backpack, zip so wide. Letters and numbers jump inside. Clap your hands, stomp your feet. Call them back with a happy beat. Come back, come back,
Come back!
come back. 1, 2, 3.
Letters D and E, where do you hide? Should we search both far and wide?
Yes, yes.
Number 4, do you want to play? Should we count with you today?
Yeah. Should we sing for all the rest? Letters and numbers, you're the best. Yes. 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 Backpack, 1, 2, 3, go. Backpack, safe and sound. All the letters and numbers found. Sing with us, it's such a treat. Letters and numbers can't be beat. Yeah.